That's not a good sound, is it, Marvin? Something's watching you, eh, buddy? Well, we won't let you become squirrel food. Well, bird food for a squirrel. The three-eyed raven. Brandon Stark. Winterfell Fishing Camp. Hey, Mr. Blue Jay. You're not in the World Series this year, are you? I didn't even check. Well, that's a good idea. I never thought of that there, Mr. Blue Jay. I put a bowl out for you guys for your water. I'll fix that up for you if you guys want to use that as a bird bath. Hey? Hell's Hope. Let's see my listing here. Oh. Chickadees are landing on the GoPro. They're friendly little birds. Losing track here. What is it? Sorry, guys. Didn't even startle you, eh, Mr. Marvin? I swear you must have got another chunk out of your ear today, because it looks like there's another chunk out, buddy. That fighting's getting pretty vicious, eh? I put some peanuts out for you there, Blue Jay. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, Marvin don't like to share. You worried about a chickadee, Marvin? For the one little seed they take each time? It's okay, buddy. It's all right. There. Thought I'd put it a little closer there, Marvin. You're going to be the star, buddy. Even with your chewed up ear. Call you Mickey Rourke or something. Or Mick Foley from wrestling. Cactus Jack. Mankind. He has half an ear, or I think he might even be missing a whole ear if I remember. Who was it in wrestling originally? Yukon Eric bit somebody's ear off. Although I have that backwards and somebody bit his ear off. I'll have to look that up. Well, Marvin, you lost your peanuts, buddy. I got 3 of them stashed up here, but if I put them there and you don't take them, Mr. Blue Jay's going to run off with them. So, you want to come take one out of my hand? Huh? Right there, buddy. Marvin all shy. Well, there you go. Marvin, you're peanut, buddy. I went all the way to Bulk Barn for those. What's going on, chickadee? Uh-oh. Martha, is that you? Oh. She's been really shy this year. I don't know what's going on with her. I think Marvin's beat up on her pretty good. She's got a chunk out of her ear, too. Spousal abuse. What? What's the matter, chickadee? Throwing your little seeds around. Wow. An empty. You guys got to finish this up before dark. You're a star, chickadee. Yeah, it just turned off all by itself sitting out here. Doesn't feel hot. Battery's full. Lots of space to put on the card. I couldn't afford the $60 this week for the subscription to GoPro. I'll do that the week after next, and then I'm going to exchange the camera. The problem is you lose your camera. I'll be without the GoPro for at least 2 weeks, but the cell phone cam is so good on it, I'm not going to worry about it too much. I just want to use the cam when we go fishing before I send it away. I'm still watering the plants. It's 4:45, and it should be dark around 6 or so, so I'll shut the water down for the evening then. The plant should have a good soaking. Where the hell Marvin the squirrel went to? Not like him to leave this early. You see those peanuts? I see you up there. You're eyeballing the peanuts on the table. You're gonna puff all up. You know that I know too, don't you? Hey? You know I'm talking to you. Hey, Mr. Blue Jay. Here he comes. He's like, where are the big ones? Go ahead, buddy. They're a wary bird, that's for sure. Couldn't tell if that was Martha or Marvin. I think it's Martha. I think she might even have babies because she's been staying underneath the deck all this year, so she must have some sort of nest there. I could see it being a good nest for them. Food close by for her. I always put water out. The babies are safe underneath pretty much. I haven't seen any babies though. Oh. Tricked me, eh, Martha? You came in from behind. You're just out of the camera, eh, sweetheart? Oh. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Who's that? That must be Marvin underneath. Ah. See, Martha's got her left ear chewed, and Marvin's got his right ear chewed, so that's how you tell the difference on these two anyway. What's going on, Martha? You sound like a couple of girlfriends I've had over the years. I'm just kidding. Actually, no, I'm not. Hey, Miss Martha? How come Marvin won't come up now? That's weird, eh? Or is he letting you eat? Would he eat your babies if they're under there? Probably not, eh? Hope not. Yeah, she's really jumpy. Well, that peanut was for you.